Hello guys, review Infinix HOT 70, this version 4GB memory and 128GB storage. Open box and look complementation. In complementation we have of course device and protected back cover, adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Okay. We have double camera on the back side. On this side power button, volume buttons. Downside Type-C, speaker, microphone. Second speaker on the upside. On this slot for SIM cards and smart key, power key and volume buttons. Volume keys. Okay, turn on device. We have display IPS. Open settings. We have XOS 16.2.0. Processor Helio G100 Ultimate, 4GB ROM memory and 128GB storage. Camera 50 megapixels, front camera 8 megapixels, camera battery 6000 mAh battery. Display HD resolution. Okay. Open Geekbench 6. Talk about results in this test. We have CPU test results and GPU test results. Look onto the benchmark score, and run PUBG Mobile. Look how this game will work on the device. Game load and load on the medium graphic level and works good. Now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.